Hi guys, this is your host and host Shahzad Arsi, and today in this video I will be covering about future of digital marketing. And if you are someone who want to make their career in digital marketing, then they should be definitely sticking this watching this video till the end, because if you want to make your career in digital marketing, then you should be aware about the futuristic about that industry. In this case is digital marketing. So if you are in digital marketing industry or you are planning to make your career in digital marketing, then watch this video till the end. I will be covering some insights about digital marketing. Okay, so let's begin this video. Hi, my name is Shahzad Arsi, digital marketer, blogger, freelancer and SEO expert. So I have I have been in this industry, means in digital marketing, since 2016. Means I have got more than 4 plus years of experience in digital marketing, and I am sharing my digital marketing journey in the form of blog post. I have started publishing many blog posts in the past and ranking in the first page of Google, in the health industry, in the cricket industry, in the technology industry, as well as in digital marketing industry. When you type in Google SEO service in Bihar, you will find my website ranking in the first page of Google. So that's not the scope of making this video. This video is about future of digital marketing. So that was just a glimpse about me. So let's begin this video on a high note about the what you call future of digital marketing. So future of digital marketing, as you can see when I typed in Google future of digital marketing, this is the snippet that Google has pulled from this website. And this is nothing guys, this is Medium, and I will be demonstrating every point from this what you call Medium. So whatever point I will be covering in this video, I will take an inspiration from Medium and I will be explaining you. So let's read this Google snippet that Google has pulled from this Medium post. So chatbots, straight to the point. It's saying that chatbot, while kind of old news, will continue to play an important role in digital marketing during 2020. Surveys have shown that 80% of businesses want chatbots in 2020, and by 2022, chatbots will help business save $80 billion every year. That is quite the statistic for AI based technology. So let's see what this guy has to say about the future of digital marketing in 2021 and beyond. So for first point, they have listed that AI and automation. AI, artificial intelligence and automations. Because digital marketing is uh, very much inclined towards artificial intelligence. So that's why people have shifted from the traditional marketing to digital marketing, because it's digital means it's online marketing, or digital marketing is the same thing. So artificial intelligence will play very important role. And it shows the data that according to this website has taken reference from here. According to TechGrabbyte, artificial intelligence is the biggest commercial opportunity for companies, industries, and nations over the next few decades, and will increase global GDP by up to 14% between now and 2030, which means that AI latecomers will find themselves at a serious competitive disadvantage within the next several years. So you should be data driven and you should be aware of artificial intelligence and automations. And automations is what I want to share. I want to share with you guys. Automation is something like Zapier. Zapier is something that helps you in automating your task. Suppose you want to do different digital marketing job, and for that you hire different digital marketers, and on an average it can do task of at least 5 digital marketers. Zapier alone can do the task of at least 5 digital marketers. Although Zapier is a expensive tool, but if you are someone in digital marketing and if you want to make a career in digital marketing, then you should be definitely automating your tasks through Zapier. Although there are alternatives to Zapier like Pebble, but Zapier is the number one go-to tool for marketing automations. So that's about Zapier in a nutshell. If you want me to make a video about Zapier, then I will be happily making a video about Zapier. I will be explaining each and everything that's inside Zapier. So if you want me to make an in-depth video about Zapier, just comment below. Yeah, we want Zapier video. I would love to know your thought in the comment section. If I get enough comment about Zapier, then I will be happily making the video about Zapier. Okay, this all they have listed reasons for adopting artificial intelligence. Why is your organization interested in AI? They have shown the graph, so you can check the graph here. 84% AI will allow us to obtain or sustain a competitive advantage. 75% AI will allow us to move into new business. They have shown the graphical representations in percentage. So this marketing automation, that's this all is done alone by Zapier. This all marketing automation that I was explaining in this video. Marketing automation is done very easily and very effectively with the help of Zapier, and Zapier can do all the tasks like landing page setup, search engine marketing automations, mail, dynamic content, social messages, forms, campaigns, site search, and calendar. This all and even more you can do the marketing automation very easily by the help of one tool that's called Zapier. Social commerce and shoppable post will become the next big thing, or will become the future of digital marketing. So let's see what's listed here. Initially, social media was a place for businesses to connect with their consumers, showcase their products, services, and build up upon their brands images. But there was no way to get social media followers to brands online store through those platforms. Now there is, and while shoppable posts aren't exactly new in 2020, they are gaining more and more tractions. So this post they have taken, uh, so this is what they are explaining. Okay, the goal they have explained: to create less step for your consumers and decrease the chances of sales abandonment. So that's the another thing in future of digital marketing. Social commerce and shoppable post you should definitely be implementing in your social media uh, post. So macro influencer is something I know you are aware of. Macro influencer is influencer within one broad niche. Suppose you want to make a career in digital marketing, but instead of going broad like Facebook ad expert, you should be narrowing down to Facebook ad expert for real estate, Facebook ads expert for education industry, for Facebook ad expert for what you call hospitality, Facebook lead generation for real estate. So likewise social media influencer in micro niche, like social media influencer in what you call for fitness, social media marketer for small startup. Likewise you should be going narrowing down in the niche, and then there you can find your expertise. So narrowing down the niche is called macro niche, and if you narrow down your niche, then you will find your fit and you will be rolling or start rolling and getting more and more businesses, more and more leads and uh, leads and sales coming your way if you narrow down your niche and go uh, and become micro influencer. So let's move ahead, the another part, niche social media channel. So guys, uh, till today we all are using these all platforms like Facebook, like Twitter. These all are the grown what you could call giant social media channels: Facebook, Twitter. but they have become very crowded. So you have experienced when you post anything in Facebook or Twitter, it gets buried within half an hour or within 1 hour. It gets buried because the people, they have largest chunk of audience in social media. There are largest chunk of audience in social media in Facebook and Twitter alone. So that's why your post is not getting enough organic reach. So you have to explore your social media in these social media channels. Like you should be definitely making an account and exploring these social media channels like Snapchat, Pinterest, Medium, Reddit, etc., and making your post in this all social media channels. So that's why it's segregated, that this all will be the future of in social media, and you should be exploring and making an account in this social media channels. And then instead of going in Facebook and Twitter, you should be making your account in this Snapchat, Pinterest, Medium, Reddit, and you can find your fit and start rolling and making your impact instantly. Vlogging is something, means a video plus blog is called vlogging. Although I have published one video in my YouTube channel, difference between blogging and vlogging. And vlogging will be the next big thing, or will be the future of future of digital marketing, future in digital marketing. So if you are building a small vlog, means do vlogging, means video plus content, that is called vlogging. So if you are making video plus content, then you will have an edge in comparison to the persons or the digital marketers who don't implement vlogging in their digital marketing journey. So you should definitely consider vlogging as part of your digital marketing task. So let's move ahead. Personalization is something that, guys, it's it has started to grow. Means whenever you go in any YouTube channel, you will find that human interaction is something. Suppose this man, they have the face, this guy, Pratik, digital Pratik, see, they have the face and whatever they want to explain in that video. So this gives the personal touch, this gives the personal touch. So you should have the in different moods, means in different what you call moods, according to the video that you are making, and put your face and explain about about the topic that you will be covering in that video. See, uh, smiling face with get leads and clients from Instagram. So this will have more personal touch. That is what they are saying. You should be consider building your personal branding, and you will be doing that when you build a personal touch, and people will start believing and trusting you when you show your face instead of just random or fancy what you call fancy this what you call text. See, this girl is also implementing personal branding through her website. So instead of just random thumbnail, you should be implementing your photo along with the what you call text part that you will be explaining in that video. So that's about the personalization or personal branding. So let's move ahead. Google Gallery ads, I'm not sure about this, what Google Gallery ads is, but you can read of your own. The Google Gallery ads will be also the future of digital marketing. So that's why they have listed. Voice search is something that you are familiar with, this term voice search. Let me show you. Suppose I am in Google, and take me to Google. Yeah. So guys, this is what voice search. You can see when I, instead of typing anything here, random thing, I will be doing a voice search. How I can do? I will click on this mic, whether you are operating from your cell phone, mobile device, or you're operating in your bigger screen like tablet, laptop, or PC. You have to do the voice, you do the voice search. Suppose score, see, I have to enter allow score today cricket. Score today cricket I have listed, and
Ireland are batting first
see,
and have scored 127 for 3 in 29 overs.
got my point, guys. This is what this voice search, and you have to implement this voice search in your website. That is what is listed here. So I am an SEO expert. I will be implementing and utilizing this voice search for my website, so that whenever people search something, my website will rank high in Google. So you should be also considering using voice search in your uh, what do you call digital marketing journey. Let's move to the another part, guys. Chatbot is what I was explaining, and I will not cover all this. You can read of your own. So chatbot will be the next big thing, and let me show a glimpse of chatbot. See, guys, this is the chatbot, although I have implemented it through the WhatsApp chatbot. So this, they will ask, hi dear, how can I help you. You can implement this chatbot in your website through ManyChat, through you can use ManyChat, you can use WhatsApp chat or whatnot. There are many chatbot in the market. You can use any of the chatbot and implement in your website. This shows I have implemented WhatsApp chat. So they are asking, how, hi dear, how can I help you. Once I click open chat, they will be taken me, it will take me to the WhatsApp chat, and now here I can chat it very easily. So that's the chatbot in a nutshell for you guys. So it will be the next big thing, and it will have uh, uh, you should be, you should definitely implement chatbots in your website, or any, whether your website is a shopping website, blog, or anything. You should definitely implement a chatbot in your website. Okay, so let's move to the next part. 10th point is visual search. Visual search is, guys, instead of typing anything in Google like voice search, people will be uploading just any image and take a reference, and Google will show them what this image is about. For example, see, apparels and home goods, barcodes, business cards, book, event flyers or billboard, landmark or buildings, a painting in a museum, plant, or in people will just upload this much. See, painting and museum, people will copy this and just upload that in the, where they have uploaded. Let me see where they have uploaded in the upload an image. Okay, people will upload an image. Suppose I want to upload Google search, or let me hit enter, painting in a museum. What they show this guys, this is what they are explaining here. Google search by image, and they can search by image. Okay, painting and search by image. That's it. What they are explaining here, search by image will be the next big thing, or visual search of in digital marketing industry. So now I'm searching by image. I've taken painting in a museum, and I'm searching by image. I can directly import one of my image, and I can do just quick Google search, and they will show me about the image, what this image is all about. So and that is the point they are explaining in this visual search. So let's move to the another example. Neuromarketing, I'm not sure, guys. I have to read this point. Neuromarketing, last but definitely not least, the digital marketing trend isn't upon us yet, but it is quickly becoming a viable tool for marketers to use the very near future. For those of you who may not know, including me, neuromarketing is essentially analyzing measurements of a person's brain activity to determine which type of content are engaging to them. Okay, this means creating marketing materials such as your website, email campaigns, social content, ads, etc., to induce specific neurological reactions in your target consumers. These information is triggered emotions responses can be used by marketers to adjust strategies and optimize their content appropriately. Hence, improving their marketing effectiveness. A neurologist, uh, neuroanalyst, neuroanalytics, sorry, a neuroanalytics company that is a leader in the domain is Spark Neuro. They utilize biometrics, neurometrics, and complex algorithms to measure emotions and attention level. This then allows marketers to adjust their advertising and entertainment, assisting them in figuring out what content to concentrate their effort and what to avoid. Okay, wrapping it up. So this is all about the future of digital marketing. Remember, there are things not mentioned on this list that will continue to remain important. This includes like interactive email marketing, paid or and organic search, social channels like Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn utilization, and the futuristic approach about these all things. Although they are, it is not mentioned anywhere in this video, but this will also be considered as a feature of digital marketing, and you should also keep an eye on these sections that I have marked. So that's it for this video, guys, and if you want to learn more about digital marketing, you can come on my website, and you can hire me if you want for SEO service, because I am the one who provide SEO service, and I have made my career in SEO, made my expertise in SEO. So if you want to make your career in digital marketing and want to learn SEO or need SEO for your business, then you can definitely hire me in. So this is the keyword I'm ranking for SEO service, and let me show you the live proof, guys, that in reality whether I'm ranking or not. So I've typed in SEO service in Bihar. I am in this page. You will sooner I will be ranking in the local map also, guys. Don't worry, sooner I will be ranking in the local map also. This is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. This is my website, guys. SEO service, it is very thin content, but even though I am ranking in the 6th position, and if I click on SEO services in Bihar, let's see what result shows in the top 10 Google ranking. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Ninth position is SEO services in Bihar. I am ranking in the top 10 of Google. So sooner I will be ranking here, because I have optimized my website for Google My Business also, and I have already set up my Google My Business page, guys. So if you want Google My Business fully customized Google My Business along with ranking in the local map, you can take my Google My Business service along with I will be making your business live and doing the citation part, building the citation for you, so that you can very easily rank in the local map. These all are the local map, guys. You can very easily rank in the local map taking my Google My Business service. Or if you want to rank in the organic search, like my website ranking in the 9th position here for SEO services in Bihar, you can take my SEO services. I will be doing on page, off page, technical SEO, and I will make sure that you rank in the first page of Google, not second, not third, but on the first page of Google for your desired keyword. You can hire me on Fiverr. You can come here and you can hire me on Fiverr, because I provide SEO services in and I have listed my gig over Fiverr. So if you want to take SEO service for me, you can definitely hire me on Fiverr. Here I have listed, hire me on Fiverr, or you can come on this page also. There also you can find my Fiverr page here, hire me on Fiverr. This also you will click, you will be redirected to here. I have got one order in queue, and if you want to take SEO service, Google My Business service, you can hire me on Fiverr, or you can just do a quick you can definitely call me, guys, if you want to what you call, if you have any queries. My number is listed here, So you can definitely call me. 8076 is my number. You can do a WhatsApp chat, or you can call me directly if you need digital marketing services, or if you need digital marketing training also, then also you can reach out to me on this number, 8076 So that's it for this video, guys. Although this video is lengthy, but I hope it's worth your time. Future of digital marketing, if you are want to make your career in digital marketing, so you should definitely eager to learn that future of digital marketing is something, so it's worth your time. So if you like this video, consider liking. If you like this video, consider liking this video, sharing it in your community, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. And I would love to know your thought in the comment section, that do you want me to make a video in about Zapier, complete in detail video about Zapier, because I am using Zapier, so I can show you insight about Zapier. If you want me to make a video about Zapier, you can comment below that yes, we want a video about Zapier. So I will be making in-depth video about Zapier. And that's it for this video, guys. This is Saizad Arsi signing off for now. See you in the another exciting video. Bye, take care.